Get ready with me with Beauty in the City products. So first, what I do is I like to do my under eye. I like a really light under eye, so that's always my first step. I just go in with my concealer and go right under my eye and do two little like strips, like right here. And do that to both sides, just like this. And then I like to go in with my beauty blender and just dab it all around. Like this, and then go do the same with the other eye. So now that my under eye is all blended in, I'm gonna go in. I like to go in immediately with my powder so it could set. So I like to let it set while I do the rest of my face because I really like a nice, like, clean, light under eye. So I'm gonna go in and apply my powder. Just like this. Just like that. So not too much, you don't have to drag it. Just leave it there while I do the rest of my face. So after that, after I do my under eye, I like to go in with this palette and take some orange and just correct any dark spots that I have, because I do have quite a few on my face that I really hate. I'm trying to get rid of them. So I just go in and have one right here, put an orange concealer and just try to cover it as best as I can. I really hate when they show. I have a couple on my forehead. So then I just try to blend it out with this brush. And then the key to really like covering it up is honestly setting it right after. So after you put the orange, you're gonna set your dark spots right after. So just take some powder and set them so they're not so noticeable. I'm gonna take my foundation and just apply it to the spots that I put the orange concealer in, where the dark spots are, and focus on them. Because I don't like a heavy foundation look. I like more like just a natural beat. So then I take my beauty blender again and just go around the spot where I just applied it to, and do the same, blend it in. Try not to like really like focus on the dark spots. So that's already blended, okay, I see. And then I'm gonna set this while I do the rest of my face. So take my powder, hold the dark spots, chin, go ahead, leave. Yeah, then I'm gonna leave this on here. So then I leave this on here while I do the rest of my face. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now, so I just take my spoolie and comb them out. I need to do my eyebrows, they're ridiculously thick. So then take my pomade and dip it and just follow my eyebrow line. Yeah, just follow my eyebrow line. Try to just follow and not go outside the lines. My eyebrows are so thick right now, so it's just like a blob. Okay. So then I go on the bottom line and try to like mimic what I just did and just fill in any spots that don't have hair, and missing spots to look empty, like so, like this. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eyebrow. And just start from the top. I don't want to make it too thick. Not really like thick eyebrows. And then do the same to the bottom. So then I conceal my eyebrows. I'm done with this. And I conceal my eyebrows with the same concealer that I use for my under eye. And I take this brush and go in and do my under eye. I mean, my under eye, my conceal my eyebrows just a bit. And they are crazy right now because I haven't threaded them in so long. So they're honestly like just hair everywhere. So do the same to the other one. Go in, follow your natural brow line. And then bring it all the way down. So then just blend it in. I'm not even gonna do the top part. I'm not even gonna do the top part. Yeah. So done with the eyebrows. Then I'm just gonna blend it a little more with this brush under my eye. I mean, above my thing. Above my eye. Okay. So then now the eyebrows are done. So then I like to take my Beauty in the City. This highlighter. So pretty. Just twist it up and then dab it on my nose. Just a little dab. Because their highlighter just comes out full. So dab it on my nose to already start seeing it. Then I just take another brush and just like swirl it. So it's blended. Now you can already see the highlight on my nose. So cute. Then I take some. I like to put highlighter on my cheekbone. And just like this. You can already start seeing it. So cute. Then I do the same and I take my brush and blend it out. Then do the same to this side too. And blend it out. And it really stays. So after that, after my highlighter is done, I'm gonna go in. I love this shimmer spray. So good. I like to apply it all over my neck. Still while my face is setting, you know. Just try to, it's so shiny, and then I just rub it in. And just keep rubbing it in. And this is the first thing people look at. The first thing people look at, like, I like to overly apply it on my collarbones. And just everywhere. All up on my neck. So then with that, I like to go in. After that, I like to go in with my Beauty in the City Mascara. And I'm going to put this all on my eyelashes. I like to just do it on both. And you can really start seeing the difference. How this mascara like lifts your eyelashes immediately. And so like me, I really have lashes, so this is perfect. So you can already start seeing the difference when you start applying mascara. And after that, I like to go in with my Beauty in the City lip balm. So cute. Look at this cute color. And I like to put a lot because I like my lips really glossy and like nice. And keep applying this. I apply a lot. When I tell you a lot, I like to apply a lot. I just keep going over my lips. Okay, great. So cute. And after that, my little last step is I like to go in with my Beauty in the City eyeliner. And I like to just put it along. Just add a little thing, a little line to it. And then I go in with up here too. And then you could just literally dab it. And then you can already see, look. So cute, the sparkle in their eyeliner. You can literally just dab it with your fingers and you already see a difference. I do the same to this, just extend it a little. And then I go in the top and then by my eyelashes. And then blend it out with my finger. Just to give it a little pop. And now your top is so sparkly and cute and it's matching with your highlighter. So cute. So now that I finished my face, now I can finally blend everything. Not even blend everything, just finally take off the the powder so that I finally go in and take off the powder that I had on my face this whole time. And there you go. Here's the final result.